Hello everybody and welcome to that new video. Today our main goal is to write a little piece of code that VBA code that will allow us to zoom in and out the spreadsheet with just a double click of your mouse. We will take advantage of the macro recorder. Let's proceed. We first activate the macro recorder window. We don't need to assign a name to that macro, neither a shortcut, etc. We just click OK. Now the macro recorder is recording our actions inside the spreadsheet. We we go into the onto the zoom level dialog box. We open it and we don't touch anything inside that dialog box. Notice that my custom level of zoom is 130, so we just simply click OK. We switch off the macro recorder and then we can open the Visual Basic editor. Inside the Visual Basic editor, identify your project, the project which refers to your actual spreadsheet, the modules, and then we find the module that the macro recorder has created. And that is the single line of code that the macro recorder has actually recorded. We identify inside that line of code the window object, and the zoom property is a property of the window object. We copy the code line, and then we go back into the our project. We find the worksheet in which we want to place our code, and we open the code module of the worksheet. We select worksheet, and then we find a particular event, the before double click event. We click on it, and the macro and the VBA editor inserts the subroutine, the event subroutine. We make a little room for our code, and then we paste the code line that the macro recorder has recorded. Now we use the if-then-else statement to trigger the event. So we type if, and we tell to Excel that if the active window zoom is different from 130, then he has to set up the active window zoom to 130. Else, the zoom he has to set up the zoom to 200. You see, that's very simple. We can end the if statement. And then one last thing that we have to add to our little code is the second argument of the before double click event, the cancel argument. We type cancel and we set it to true. In that way, when we double click inside the spreadsheet, the double click will not take effect. Will not take effect. So that is the code, and it's very simple, it's very intuitive. But now let's try it inside the spreadsheet. So we are now inside the spreadsheet. We double click one cell inside the spreadsheet this way, and you see that the macro has been executed, and the zoom level has been set up to 200. If we want to return to our original zoom level, we just double click again inside the spreadsheet, and our original zoom level has been restored. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope to see you in the next video.